Good morning. Today I have to share with you one of my very favorites, Illamasqua's Raindrops. Does it have a thing on it? It does not have a thing on it. Oh, there it is. Raindrops. This is one of my very favorite polishes. Came out like, oh, I don't even remember. I got into polish like 2012 or something. And this polish had been out for like a year, and everyone was going crazy for it because there were such good swatches online. Excuse me. But it was way more than I would have ever spent on a polish, especially first getting into it. So I just wanted it for a long time, and eventually got it for Christmas. Because Illamasqua polishes are like $18 or something. Yeah, way too much for me at the time. Now it's kind of like, oh, I guess it's more expensive, but I guess I'll get one. Silly. Anyway, this polish is super sheer, and it's supposed to be, because it's supposed to look like raindrops, and raindrops are sheer. So 2 coats is all that you need. And I know that some people like polishes differently, so like some people like more coats, and that's fine with them. But this one, you actually really only need 2, and 3 actually is too much. There's 1 coat. Yeah. Oh, come on, be clear. There. So, as you can see, it's a little bit streaky on the first coat, but that's fine because it'll even out on the second coat. Illamasqua bottles are a little bit strange in my opinion too, because they don't have the cap that comes off like Butter London's. They just unscrew, and it's strange. Oh, excuse me. Alright, going for the second coat. Yeah, it makes it a little bit awkward to hold, but that's okay. Second coat of Raindrops. Oh, I guess it is looking a little bit streaky, even on coat number 2. That's fine. Today seems like a quiet day. Nice day for some raindrops. Oh, come on. It took me forever this morning to decide what I wanted to wear, because I just have so many pretties and I wanted to wear them all. Finally decided on this one because I couldn't decide between grays and blues. Oh. And Raindrops is kind of like a gray blue. I'm doing really poorly on application skills this morning. I don't know what's going on. Also, my camera just doesn't seem to want to focus. Come on, camera. Pretty, huh? It's not awesome for some reason today, but still pretty. Yeah. Let's add some top coat. It's very strange to me how my camera keeps doing that thing. Sorry, I can't words today either, apparently. The camera keeps shifting its white balance when I put my hand in front of it, and it's annoying to me. Oh, I just messed up that one a little bit. That's okay. Nice and quiet, apparently. It's a quiet Saturday morning. Alright. Cutes. There are 2 coats of raindrops. Look at that nice shimmer in there. Yeah. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your weekend. Have fun. Bye.